good things you do, they make me no.
Back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be going for a gospel concert in my church, which is happening live in Mobliz, the Shift concert. So yeah, I'll be going with my sister. We're going to jam some Christian bedu. You know how it goes now down in Nigeria. We're going to be having some guest artists like Prince Emmanuel, Limo Blaze. Yeah, I'm sure you know some of their songs like Jaira. That's popping. So yeah, let's get right into it. I can't wait to meet them. I've never met them before in my life, so I'm so excited to meet them. See you.
Are you ready? Okay, we're going to check your vibe some more. Like I said, it's a vibe check. It's an energy check. We're checking if you're ready. Alright.
Not for you. Come on, sing. Parabale, my God is not a human. He will see you through it. He's enough for you. Come on, let me hear you say Parabale, cause he's enough. Come on, he says he's enough. Come on, he says he's enough. Let me hear you sing. Let me hear you sing. Parabale, my God is not a human. He will see you through it. He's enough for you. 1, 2, 3, let's go, let's go. Hey, stand on your feet now. Never give up, the God is able to do exceedingly.
Couple affectionate couples
very affectionate
at
at their weddings.
Yeah.
I think because of the way Nigerian weddings
That's what
are.
I'm saying. I think especially traditional weddings, it's not set up for romance.
Not just traditional weddings. Even this thing, I feel like people feel like now DJs and hype men are trying to earn their money. So maybe the couple is having a bit of a private moment.
Just like
kissing, love, marriage. Come on! We are here for FK and Jola. Come on! And it's just like people are going to kiss me.
Yeah, like please. And it's 2 small minutes. Somebody has gone, and then let me tell you what happened.
No, Kemi is bad.
You see when like the couple sits down on their little
on their stage,
and then they're having a bit of banter. Then your mommy's the accountant's wife will quickly run. It was so good to see you. Please come. Then they're taking a selfie, and you're just thinking, leave them.
Let them have a moment.
But you can't.
Like you just the couple will just be dancing.
You
Next
can't.
thing, the hype man will just say, "Welcome to the wedding of the century. Welcome to the wedding of the century. Yenka, atobe, yenka, atobe." And then maybe everybody has been having fun. We've forgotten about the couple.
All of a sudden,
now we
you
remember that. We're not for everyone will be
God
dancing.
forbid you just care. Standing on all existing protocol. Would like to welcome chairman of house please.
No, but it was very cute. That one was very, very
cute. I'm
cute.
determined that should I, eventually get married, I'm gonna have a blast. I'm actually not going to answer anybody.
Yeah.
The key is to start drinking from when you do your.
Kemi,
if everybody's dress is pink, they wear baby pink. They're mad.
Have you heard Kowe sitting down? I cannot do anything like that too.
I told my friends, I don't care if you are pregnant. I don't care if you are divorcing. I don't care what you are doing. All of you gone.
No, I don't want to.
I said, as I've done my own plenty times, you will write. The other one of married women, I say you will do it. We will write a note, married, on your dress. You get, we'll give you a chain.
But you know that alagas are very
married.
rude. I've noticed something.
What?
When they are dealing with what, and these people are very terrible. Once you've crossed this, you are aged.
No, alagas are horrible
So
people.
once they are dealing with, like, once they know that the bride is like in
once
her
they think that
30s,
you're marrying, so
let's say what's something I've realized. Play a traditional wedding. Let's say you are the friends of the bride. God did it for you, unfortunately, that you are a friend of the bride. Normal. What the alaga is meant to do is just say thank you to the bride's friends, go and sit down. But you know, all of them very eager. What they changed it to was God to do your own too. Now, once they realize the bride is in her 30s, they just look at the rest of you that at this point, if God has not done your own, quite frankly, it's not my request that will change it for him. So they, and now when they now say, friends of the bride, when you're over 30, you know what they say? Hey, auntie. See, your people are terrible people. Human beings. I don't know, but the first time it happened, I was like, maybe I'm overthinking. It cannot be. I just adjusted my bag and increased the speed with which I marched into the second hall. But it was really nice. And then this, as God will have it, I got in like 1 minute after the couple had danced in.
So you saw them.
Oh, I saw them.
That's always key.
I said hello, hi.
It's too key.
We had a kiss, we had a picture.
God.
And then I started looking around, and I actually saw other people that I know. I said, you too. Yeah, yeah. Look at us here.
My dear, I saw it.
Drinking.
I said, this episode is sponsored by MTN.
If you're a lover of music, this is for you.
You can enjoy your favorite songs and podcasts, which is only this one, let's be frank, on Apple Music. I said,
do you know that I've realized that?
I said, wow.
I think that my rumors of my bad behavior have gone wrong. Because now they don't say it again.
They say, hey! I said, I was just going, mommy to say, nah, me. I said, oh. I said, ma, please, dear, we're here on a mission. Let's go.
No, but I said this now. My mom, I was explaining to my mom, like, all these amazing plans, if I may say so, that I have for, like, the podcast, or my production company, everything. Into 2024. That's how far I've finished. No, she has to move from that format. She's not like, because we were talking about, like, she was trying to figure out calendars, and so I explained to her that's what I'm trying to do. When I finished, my mom doesn't really understand what I do, to be quite frank. And she's just happy I'm not doing fraud. So she was like, oh, that's very nice. You know, okay. So, and God will also give you a good husband in Jesus' name. I said, ma, unless what is coming to you is that it's his net worth that will fund.
I showed you. Should we? I sense.
Where are we? What did I mention? I was saying, okay, I'm going to have to travel for this. I want to build this.
I've just realized that in their mind.
She just summed everything up with, and God will give you a good husband
like, in their mind, they're
name.
like, okay, so at the end of the day, I told you Nana Mami did a retreat. I sent it to you. Do you look at the things that I sent
Yes.
to you? I don't remember. She did a retreat, a personal retreat about the marriage issue.
Are you serious?
Sure. I had 2 friends. Sure.
Are their own daughters were married?
Yeah, absolutely. No, one's children are older and married, so she's there sort of as a point of contact. Let me tell you the truth, it's actually not funny, because when I went there,
It's
the
too
way
funny.
I laughed. Because I just thought to myself, I said, so what people
It's so funny. I've told you about my dad's
and then they
birthday.
kept saying,
request.
the retreat. I said, you guys actually you're just 3 of you.
I've told you about my dad's birthday request.
You're
now.
just 3 of you, and you can't actually say this is a retreat. The 3 of you are just here.
At least your mother took it to God. I told you about my dad's birthday gift.
Okay, wait, no, I'm not told you the part.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my name is Joanamotsuka. I'm a Nigerian-based content creator and YouTuber. So if this is your first time here, you're welcome. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So in today's video, I'll be going for a trade fair called the MBC Trade Fair. I'm working with a brand called the Crystal Scent. As you can see, I'm wearing their branded t-shirts. Yeah, I'm going to be helping them sell some perfumes, some fragrances and diffusers. Their link will be in my bio if you want to get something like this. Okay. So yeah, I'll be doing a quick OOTD. I'll be wearing my branded t-shirt from the brand, my jeans. Yeah, so check me out. How do I look? My skin is killing. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to be more consistent here on YouTube. You guys will see more of me this year because my goal is to get monetized. I'm trying to get 4,000 watch hours, so you guys should help me get to that by watching my videos, sharing my videos, commenting, liking. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. I loved it. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful for you guys, for having you guys in my community. See.
This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I like to see ya. I never tell you for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. Without the way that you want, make tell me with this all thing, all big come. I never tell you, baby. This love will make me the dark thing. I'm not telling me what's up, baby. I'm not making it, baby. I'm not gonna want to make you. Baby, I feel like making you. Oh, baby, oh, no, no.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do right all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late. But I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed even my heart.